Hey guys, it's Rachel, and today I will be testing out the Doubletree chocolate chip cookies. These cookies were all the rage and made all the news once the Hilton released their secret cookie recipe. So naturally, I had to give this a go. I wanted to see what all the hype was about. Why was everyone obsessed with these cookies? I will be honest, I have never stayed at a Doubletree Hilton. Maybe my family was not that bougie, I don't know, so I've never had these cookies in store. Or at hotel? Okay, so this is where I was making the recipe and something kind of went wrong. I don't know what happened to my brain, but I forgot to cream together the eggs and vanilla extract along with the butter mixture before adding the dry ingredients. But you know what? I just went with it, I committed, and I continued combining all the ingredients, and fortunately, it actually came together without a hitch. The unique thing about these cookies is that they're thick and packed with so many different goodies, from walnuts, chocolate chips, to oatmeal as well. So they're very thick and texturally dense. So these cookies are actually baked off at a really low temperature for cookies at 300 degrees for about 20 minutes. So I like to think of these cookies as a slow cooked kind of cookie, but that gives it a really chewy, soft texture, which I personally love. Once they're out of the oven, you can wait for them to cool down for about an hour like the recipe suggests, or you just eat them warm, which is what I would personally recommend. And yes, they are worth the hype. They are really tasty, and I would definitely recommend trying them out. I'll leave the link in the description box below. I'll see you guys next time.